Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing a ragi chocolate cake recipe. For that here I am taking 1 cup of ragi flour. I have taken roasted ragi flour, and from that we will remove 3 tablespoons of the flour, and instead of that we will add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, one teaspoon of baking powder, and mix this very well and keep it aside. You can sift it 3 to 4 times also. Into a bowl we will take 4 eggs, add a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and beat it well. Now add 3/4 cup of cane sugar, that is about 125 grams, and beat it well for about 4 to 5 minutes till the egg becomes creamy and fluffy like this. This should be the consistency of the beaten eggs. Now into this we will add the sift in the dry ingredients and fold it gently. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and please share with friends and relatives. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Now once this is mixed, we should mix it very gently so that the beaten eggs doesn't get deflated. Into 3 tablespoons of melted butter, we'll add 4 tablespoons of milk, and then into this we'll add a little of the batter and mix it well. We do this to ensure that the milk and butter is well incorporated into the batter without deflating the batter much. And we'll add this mixture into the batter and mix in gently. Now we'll transfer this batter into a prepared 7-inch cake tin. I've lined the tin with parchment paper. You can also grease it and dust it with flour. Release excess air bubbles if any, and we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes. Now the cake is beautifully baked. Allow it to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll remove it from the cake tin. And you can serve this as a tea time cake, or you can even frost it to make birthday cakes or any chocolate flavored cakes. So I am slicing it into layers. This is a perfect gluten-free sponge to make any type of roasted cake. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.